and hello, my creative friends. Today I'm going to share some heartwarming. So, welcome back, dear friends. Today I'm sharing a deeper, longer X-Mix craft story, a story about creativity, family, and how the simplest handmade decoration can change an entire X-Mix. Sit back, relax, and let this heartwarming tale unfold. In a small house on Winter Street lived a young girl named Alina. Her family did not have much for Xmas, no few ornaments, no expensive lyres. But Alina loved Xmas more than anything. Every year she dreamed of making their home glow. One snowy evening she looked at their old tree standing plain and undecorated and whispered, "Maybe I can make magic with my own hands," and so her adventure began. Alina ran outside with a small basket. She collected pine cones, small branches, dried leaves, and twigs that had fallen after the first snowflakes. Every item she picked felt like a treasure waiting to be transformed. Her little hands were freezing, but she did not stop because she believed that Xmas was not about what you buy but what you create. She brought everything inside, placed it on the wooden floor, and stared at her pile of nature made treasures. Her mother handed her leftover fabric pieces, some jute twine and old buttons. Her father added newspaper and a little glue, and suddenly Alina had everything she needed to make Xmas sparkle. Alina shaped stars from old newspaper. She made tiny rustic bowls using leftover fabrics. She wrapped jute around small cardboard circles to form handmade ornaments. Her father helped tape the paper garland. Her mother dried orange slices in the warm kitchen oven. Before they knew it, the entire table was filled with the most precious handmade decoration, each and one unique, more unique than the last. With laughter filling their home, the family gathered around their old Xmas tree. One by one they hung the ornaments, the stars Alina crafted, the pine cones painted by her father, and the dried orange slices prepared by her mother. Slowly, gently, their simple tree transformed into something magical. It was not perfected, it was fancy, but it glowed with the warmth of love and the beauty of crafting together. Alina stepped back and gasped. For the first time in many years, their little home felt full. Full of light, full of joy, full of the spirit of Xmas. Her mother wrapped her arms around her and whispered, "You did not just decorate the tree, Alina. You brought Xmas back into this home." And as they sat by the soft light of their handmade decoration, the family realized something. Xmas did not need money, it needed hearts. That night, the snowfall outside seemed softer. The light seemed warmer. Alina looked at her tree and smiled, knowing one thing. The cheapest craft can hold the richest memories. And from that year on, the family made it a tradition. Every Xmas, they created new decoration with whatever they had. Nothing purchased, everything handmade, because every ornament held a story and every story held love. Soft music fades. Thank you for listening to this Xmas story craft. May your own creation fill your home with warmth and wonder. I want to give you a beautiful idea for Xmas and jute, DIY jute ornaments. Take a jute rope, is very cheap, sturdy, and perfect for rustic decor. Wrap it around small balls of aluminum, foil, or cardboard shapes with just glue and twine. You can make dozens of ornaments for almost no cost. Cut long strips of color paper and create shade garden. This is one of the most cheapest, the most nostalgic X-Mix decoration. The garden wraps around the tree beautifully and make the entire tree look brighter and more cheerful. Make your tree more beautiful if